Hi everybody, welcome back to Healthy and Easy Recipes. So my recipe for you today is leek and kale soup. And my ingredients are 3 large rooster potatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, vegetable stock cube, leek, and here I have frozen kale. And also I'm going to add in some oregano, basil and coriander. So let's get started. So my first step is going to be to peel and chop the potatoes and the garlic. And so now you can see I have my potatoes cut into cubes. The smaller you cut the potato, the quicker your soup will cook. And then also have my garlic cut into small pieces as well. So my next step now is to prepare the leek. To prepare the leek, I'm going to cut off this dark green part at the top, and also I'm going to cut off the base, and then we're going to slice it. Then after we slice it, we're going to clean it in cold water. And there I have my leek sliced. So now I'm going to add it into cold water to clean it. So just mix the leek around in the water just to get any dirt that's inside the leek out. And then we're going to drain the water out. And now we are ready to add all our ingredients into a pot together. So once all our ingredients are added into the pot, then we're also going to add in boiling water and our vegetable stock cube. So I'm going to add in the boiling water, enough that it covers over all the vegetables. And then add in the vegetable stock cube and give it a mix around. So I've just put my cooker on medium heat, and now I'm going to add in a sprinkle of basil, oregano and coriander. And we're going to mix that up, and then we're going to leave it to boil. So we're going to leave it to boil for about 30 minutes so the potatoes can become nice and soft, and it'll be easy then to blend at the end. And so now my soup has been boiling for 30 minutes. So we can already see that potatoes are starting to break, which means they're nice and soft, and the soup is now ready to be blended. So I'm just going to use a hand blender. So after your soup is blended, you can also, if you want to make it creamy, you can add in a little bit of milk. And then also just mix that around. And so there we have our leek and kale soup all ready to eat. Have a nice day, everyone.